time for the drop.
Okay, so the American has activated his tracking beacon.
Roger that. Move in.
I gotta admit, you tricked us real good.
We don't like being tricked. Hey, what's so funny?
Well, you know, I was just wearing a disguise. You guys are stuck looking like that. All in all, thanks, fellas. I hear this stuff is good for you.
So you think? All in all by itself is good for you. Through scopic examination, I found that it has one small weakness. When hit with an electromagnetic pulse, it becomes extremely dangerous.
Smile.